here's our 6-cord W900. She's a 95. Had a Detroit in it. We deleted the Detroit by putting a 3406 Cat B, which I'm quite fond of. Probably the best motor cat ever made. Could be debatable, but I seem to like them. And we got a little, oh, the sun's shining here. 330, sorry, Peterbilt. Single axle. This one here's just a single axle. This truck actually was had a 22-foot box on it when I bought it. We shortened the frame and did a lot of work to it. But it's a great little truck. It's probably your best case scenario for hauling firewood out of all the trucks I have. But there's a better view. With the box setup, we can do 2-cord delivery and a 1-cord delivery on the same trip. So that's a little 30 C7, I guess, is in this one Cat. It's super good on fuel. Like, it's just crazy how easy on fuel it is. So the only downfall to this truck is if you're going far, 3-cord, it doesn't pay. So there's only so far you can go with 3-cord. So we have different size trucks. We have a very large area we deliver firewood. So I think this will give you a better picture of this 6-cord truck. There's the other W900. So that one there has a 3406B. The one in the garage has a 3406B. So the one in the garage is 4-cord. This is 6. This is 3. And here's the new addition. It's I think it's a 385 Peterbilt. Short hood truck. I know it's not a 379, but when you're trying to get in someone's backyard, that extra 2 feet on the front of the hood. Plus, I got the truck cheap, so you can't really complain. This one has a 20-foot box. It's a big girl. It's a long box, but the nice thing about that, some of our deliveries, power lines are low. I know that when the box was up, power lines are an issue, but just backing in driveway sometimes, getting underneath power lines, and then once you're back past them, put the hoist up. No matter what truck you have, if you're underneath a power line, you can have a 1-ton truck, it doesn't matter. But this one here's got a 20-foot box. It's 6-cord as well, and we got 2 dividers in this one. Right now, the front gate here is set at 2-cord, and then 1-cord, and then 3-cord. But this back divider, we made it. We can actually move the divider. It slides back onto another set of pins. So we can actually do 3 deliveries on the same run. 2-cord, 2-cord, and 2-cord. Or we can do 2 and 4. We can move the divider and do 3 and 3, 2, 1, and 3. You know, the only thing you can't do is a 5-cord drop. But whatever, if you got a 5-cord delivery, you just put 5-cord on the truck and go. So the only downfall of this truck, I bought it at Ritchie Brothers 2 years ago. And this spring, we built it. And little did I know, I did not have the registration the day that I picked it up. So theoretically, I don't own that truck yet, but hopefully within the next week or so, we're gonna have this one done. We built this one right from scratch. It was just a cab and chassis when I bought the truck. The box was completely new, everything, new hoist, new PTO, everything. So it's got a M11 Cummins. It's only got 600,000 on it. For an old firewood truck, that should be just the cat's ass, really. So we have that 6-cord one, this little 3-cord Pete, 6-cord Kenworth, and then the 4-cord one in the truck, or garage, sorry. So I should be good for trucks for this summer. But we put 19-cord on trucks before we deliver. But, you know, when one breaks down, we got a spare. So they basically do a trip a day. And we have one driver. He just jumps in one truck to the other. But we start super early. So that's why we need extra trucks, so that we have a couple loaded before my driver ever comes in. And yeah, it's you can never have too many trucks because they're the weakest link of the operation. Trucks break. Processors break too, but we have a Multitech 2025 processor. It's pretty much a workhorse. It's a circular saw unit. It's 3 years old now. Got 8,500 hours on it. Not real happy about that part. But we built this little conveyor too. So we got some big upgrades coming here in the next, we'll say 2 months. We got a lot of fun things planned for this summer. So anyways, we're just getting going. I'm going to try to do some videos this summer more than I ever have. I never really did that many, and just see if there's interest out there. And we basically do about 5,000 full cords of firewood a year. So there's some interesting things that happen throughout that time frame. That some of it I wish I would have had tape, because yeah, it would have definitely been interesting for people to see. So like this day, this happened when the box fell off onto a travel trailer. That was a fun day. Something I don't really want to remember, but that makes good entertainment later on talking about it. Anyways, have a good day. Bye.